If you're buying a home and the inspector says the breakers are double tapped, it's super important to know what that actually means so you don't freak out over nothing. So, here's the deal. Double tapped usually means two wires are hooked up under one screw on a breaker, which is a no-no because it can cause overheating or even fires. But with GFCI breakers, they're designed differently. They have separate screws for each wire, so if you see one wire per screw, you're all good. This wiring method is totally legit and actually required for these types of breakers. If your inspector is saying it's double tapped but the breakers have individual screws for each wire, they might be mistaken. It's good that you offered to fix it, but it sounds like your schooling really helped you understand that this setup is correct. Just keep an eye out for other mistakes, because sometimes inspectors miss things or confuse specific breaker types. Electrical stuff is often the easiest to check if you know what you're looking for, but honestly, the biggest hassle is dealing with panels that use old-school standard screws instead of the safer ones made for electrical panels today. One of the most common mistakes in home electrical inspections is calling properly wired GFCI breakers double-tapped when they are not. That confusion can cause unnecessary repairs or stress. Another issue is inspectors missing worn-out breakers or signs of overheating, which actually pose a real safety risk and need immediate attention. Lastly, not checking if the panel uses the right type of screws or outdated components can lead to future problems. Using proper screws and updated parts keeps everything secure and safe. Fixing these is mostly about knowing what to look for, double-checking wiring setups, replacing old or damaged breakers, and upgrading panels with the right hardware. BigHomeProjects.com totally gets how confusing home improvement stuff can be. They help homeowners find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff and help contractors connect with people looking for their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone.